We'll squeeze out one more mostly dry day before storms return on Friday. Today, those temperatures will warm into the mid-70s before dropping off later on tonight. And we will see a slight chance for a stray rain shower as those winds continue to turn out of the south and east. I think we'll see better rain chances developing overnight out ahead of this main weather system. It does look like our next cold front won't be moving through until early Saturday morning, but that dry line attached to that front is going to help become a focus point for some widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of these storms could turn severe. Any sort of rotating storms could produce hail, high winds, tornadoes, and over an inch of rain. Some of the other weather parameters right now, it does look like any sort of tornadic activity will be on the isolated side. Winds gusting over 65 miles per hour will be possible. And then looking at the potential for golf ball size hail or larger, especially in the areas north and west of Houston where we have that red hatch line. So from Brenham up toward College Station, from Conroe northward into the Lake Livingston area. We want to put you on notice that some of the storms tomorrow could indeed produce some golf ball size hail. So here's a look at Future Track. Again, increasing those rain chances overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Right now, we just have some widely scattered showers, maybe some heavy drizzle. And then as we move forward between lunchtime and 3 o'clock, some of these showers will blossom into some strong thunderstorms. We'll have to be on the lookout for any sort of rotating storms beginning during the afternoon. And then as we get into the evening hours, look at that squall line, that line of heavy rain and storms coming in from the hill country. Once the sun goes down, that squall line pushes eastward and potentially could impact the Houston area. So we'll have to monitor the trends in our latest computer models to see if it continues to pick up this squall line as it moves toward the east into Houston and then eventually into Lake Charles, Louisiana during the overnight and early morning hours on Saturday. But look what happens on Saturday. Looking gorgeous. We see a few wraparound clouds mid to late morning areas north of I-10, but then really a nice clear and dry forecast for you heading into the afternoon on Saturday. Now, the flood risk on Friday from Friday morning to Saturday morning is on the low end. Isolated risk for some street flooding. Right now, our rainfall projections are anywhere from ½ inch to 1.5 inches for most areas. However, we will see isolated spots picking up over 2 inches. And some of those areas include spots along the coastline and even areas north of Houston. The weekend showing temperatures hovering in the upper 60s to start off Saturday morning, highs in the mid 80s, a little bit cooler on Sunday. As that drier air filters in and those clouds stay away, temperatures should drop off somewhere around 57 degrees in Houston, warming up into the low 80s. We'll start off mostly dry on Monday, and then the return of those Gulf breezes will allow for a 20% chance of rain on Tuesday. Another storm system arrives for some storms by the middle of the week. All right, that's a look at your forecast. Keep it right here on ABC 13 for any weather change.